Hello, 8th grade. It is Tuesday, April 28th, and today we're going to do another day working on the box method, or sometimes it's called the area model, all right? Because when you multiply, it's kind of like you're figuring out the area inside a rectangle, okay? This method is handy for starting to learn how to multiply binomials by another binomial. Okay, remember a binomial is anything that has two terms within the parentheses. So that's why this is binomial times a binomial. Okay, so let's put it in the box method. You take your first binomial, x plus 2, and list it above the two squares. Okay, I like to put my plus sign in there to remind me that it's positive. Okay, our second binomial is x plus 3, which we list on the side, x and then plus 3. Okay. Once you have them listed, okay, first thing we do is I'm going to multiply x by the other x. X times x is x squared. Then I do x times plus 2, x times a positive 2. We put the number first. Remember, the coefficient goes first, so that would be 2x. Okay, so we're finished with the x. Now I'm going to come down to the 3. Plus 3 times x would be 3x. And then a plus 3 times a plus 2 would give us a positive 6. Okay, now you should notice this pattern. This box should always be the variable squared, okay? These two boxes on the diagonal should be your coefficient with a variable, and then this box down in here in the corner should always be your constant, okay? So once we have these answers, we're going to combine like terms, okay? So we would have x squared. We would combine 2x plus 3x, which would give us 5x. And then our constant plus 6. Okay, so this would be our final answer. Okay, let's do the next one. We've got x plus 4 times x minus 2. Okay, x plus 4 is listed across the top. X minus 2 is listed on the side. Okay, it doesn't matter which way you put them. I could have put the x plus 4 on the side and the x minus 2 on top. It makes no difference, okay? So now we multiply x times x, x squared. X times a positive 4 is 4x. Negative 2 times x is a negative 2x. Negative 2 times 4 is a negative 8. Okay. Once again, you're going to notice we're always going to combine these terms that are on the diagonal. So our answer is x squared. A positive 4x and a negative 2x would give us a plus 2x. And then our constant is a minus 8. And that is our answer to our second problem. Okay, here's our next one. X minus 5 times x minus 3. So I put my terms on top and on the side. X times x, x squared. X times a negative 5, negative 5x. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 5 is a positive 15. I like to put the plus sign. Okay. We're going to combine our like terms, and we would get x squared minus 8x plus 15 is our final answer. Okay. We're going to do 3 more quickly. This is x plus 4 times x plus 4. Okay. X times x squared, x times positive 4, 4x, positive 4 times x, 4x, positive 4 times positive 4 is 16. Combine like terms, we get x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay. All right, now we're going to do x minus 3 times x minus 3, x times x, x squared, x times a negative 3, negative 3x, negative 3 times x, negative 3x, negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Combine like terms, we get x squared, a negative 3x, and a negative 3x is a negative 6x, and then our constant is a plus 9. All right, our last one, x plus 2 times x minus 2, x times x, once again, x squared, x times a positive 2, 2x, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, don't drop your negative, negative 2 times a positive 2 is a negative 4. Once again, don't drop your negative. Okay, we're going to combine like terms. So we get x squared, a negative 2x and a positive 2x, they cancel out to 0. And then we're left with a minus 4. Okay, we're going to be seeing this type of problem where the middle term cancels out. All right, you'll get used to that. All right. So 8th grade, what you're going to need to do is I'm going to have a document that has a bunch of problems just like these listed. Right? You are going to need to, on a sheet of paper, you're going to need to draw the boxes, show all the work in the boxes. All right, combine like terms, give me these final answers, and then you are going to take a picture of your work and send it to me. All right, that way you don't have to mess with using the carets for the exponents. All right, you're actually writing it on paper, taking a picture, and sending it to me, which I think might be easier. Okay, so follow directions on the Google document. I kind of go over how I want you to do it, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.